which is not with us unfortunately. A little bit under the weather is the chief at the moment, and I had the pleasure of naming that for the Debs family at Bridgenall some years ago. And while we're here, a little apology. I did say that the lovely engine, Little Dorothy, was poorly. Well, I've been misinformed. It's had to stay at home, so its owner can bring yet another one. He can't manage two. They're both in the programme. So for our friends at the Johnson Brigade up at Banks, I apologise. The gentleman who gave me the information, very, very senior management, he said I didn't say that. I say he did, so I'm sure you'll forgive us both. So it's lovely to see that engine. Little Dorothy is not with us, as is the Foden and the Chief. So the Foden Earl of Dudley is another one that's a little bit under the weather. Well, without any more to do, we will start the events with the Post Horn Gallop. Thank you.